Hello everyone, how to remove extra spaces in Excel without Dream formula. So let's start. You can see I have data, mobile number list. You can see here the extra spaces showing between the number. So first select the entire data. You just drag with the mouse and select here entire column. Then press here the shortcut key Control F and here you can see the find and replace dialog box is open. You can see that the first tab is a find and second tab is replace. Just click on the second tab, replace. In find what, you can see here the cursor blink. Okay, just click on it and press here the space bar key of the keyboard. When you press space bar key of keyboard, you can see here a slightly space showing. Okay, after that in the replace with, just leave it blank. Okay, and click on the replace all, and that's it, all finished. We made 32 replacement. Now you can see in mobile number space is removed. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.